Okay, so my little girl had a dress. It was all torn, so she wanted to make a purse out of it. So we simply cut the dress, and now we're working on making a little purse out of this. Now we trying to make the straps. Okay, so I have just cut a piece of the dress, and I need to make a strap. But once you do the strap, okay, all you gotta do is how to get this strap, okay, to flip over, because once you sew it, the seam is inside and you need to flip over. So the way you're gonna do it, you take something like a tube or a straw. I took this one is a little bigger, but at the same time smaller. You can work it out. A longer would be better based on how you want to do it. So what you do is that you put it through. So you put it through. You can have a longer one, but that's what I have, so I'm gonna do with that. So you put it through, and what you do now here is that you want to kind of like a pinch it, okay? Because this will be the tip that I'm gonna cut off. So you pinch it, and you sew it down a little bit just for it to grab it, okay? So you sew it down a little bit. You make sure that you just do it manually, because if it's too hard, it can break your there you go. So we're gonna go again. Okay, now that I have done that, okay, so I have it sewed in. Okay, now that's why I say you have to have a little longer, but I have that short. So you're gonna do this. Now you're gonna pull it out. Okay. You're gonna pull it out. So you're gonna work it out. Okay. And you pull here and you put back. And you pull this down, you put it back again, you pull this down, you put it back again, all the way, you hold here, and you pull again, until you completely came out. So that's how you have your strap done. As you can see, the seam now is inside, and here I can just cut off that tip, and I'm all done. Hopefully this helps you. And bye bye, subscribe, shalom.